How to care for kitchen plants. Provide adequate light. Dear friends, one of the most important factors for the health of your kitchen plants is light. Kitchens often have limited natural light, so it's crucial to select plants that can thrive in low to medium light conditions. If your kitchen has a window, position light-loving plants like herbs or aloe vera near it. For darker kitchens, choose low-light plants like pothos or snake plants, or consider adding grow lights to ensure your plants receive enough light to thrive. Maintain proper humidity. The kitchen tends to be a more humid environment due to cooking, boiling water, and washing dishes. While some plants, like succulents, prefer dry conditions, others, like herbs and tropical plants, may thrive in higher humidity. Ensure that you choose plants that match the humidity levels of your kitchen. Additionally, you can mist your plants occasionally to provide them with extra moisture, especially in drier kitchens. Monitor temperature fluctuations. Kitchens can experience temperature fluctuations due to the use of ovens, stoves, and dishwashers. Some plants may be sensitive to these changes, so it's essential to keep them away from direct heat sources like stovetops, ovens, or radiators. Plants such as succulents or snake plants, which can tolerate a wide range of temperatures, are more suitable for kitchens with varying temperatures. Watering. Different plants have different watering needs, and it's important to be mindful of these requirements. Succulents like aloe vera require very little water and should only be watered when the soil is completely dry. Herbs, on the other hand, may need more frequent watering, especially if they are growing in small pots. It's best to check the moisture level of the soil regularly and water accordingly, ensuring that you don't overwater or let the plants dry out completely. Pruning and harvesting. For herb plants, regular pruning and harvesting can encourage healthy growth and prevent them from becoming leggy. Pinching off leaves regularly not only provides you with fresh herbs for cooking but also keeps the plant compact and healthy. Other kitchen plants, such as pothos or spider plants, may benefit from occasional pruning to remove dead or yellowing leaves and promote fuller growth. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.